Want to make your PDF documents look more professional and organized? Adding headers and footers is a simple way to include page numbers, dates, document titles, and other important information across every page. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add and customize headers and footers in Adobe Acrobat, helping you create polished PDFs in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. It's essential that you use either the Acrobat Pro or DC version to access the necessary features. Once your document is open, navigate to the Header and Footer tools. This is done by heading over to the Edit or Tools section where you'll find the Header and Footer option. Click on it and then select Add if you are inserting a header or footer for the first time, or Edit if you wish to modify existing ones. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add, customize, and manage headers and footers in Adobe Acrobat. With these tools, you can create more professional, organized, and reader-friendly PDF documents. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional Adobe Acrobat tips and productivity guides.